Hello everyone, I'm Chef Karan and I welcome you all back to my channel on Chef Karan's Food Lab. So today we are going to prepare another soup. The name of the soup is cream of pumpkin. Actually guys, नाम पे मत जाओ, ये सूप एक बार मेरी रेसिपी के हिसाब से बना के देखो, आपका पूरा परसेप्शन चेंज हो जाएगा pumpkin के लिए. It is very delicious, very nutritive and I'm sure you all will love this soup. So what we require to make this soup, let's see. To make this soup, we'll require 1 teaspoon of oil, 20 grams of onions, 50 grams of pumpkin, I've chopped it, 50 ml of milk, 5 grams of garlic, salt, pepper to taste, pinch of sugar, 1 teaspoon maida and 1 teaspoon butter. As I said yesterday guys, to make any cream of soups, we require almost the same kind of ingredients and the method also goes the same. To begin the recipe, we'll take a pan and we add in the oil. We allow the oil to heat and we add in the chopped garlic, chopped onions and we'll saute it. We don't have to cook it, it's just a 10 to 15 seconds, we just need to saute it on a high heat. Now we add in the chopped pumpkins and we'll give it a quick mix. We allow to cook this for 1 minute. After cooking this for a minute or so, we will add in 1 glass of water. After adding the water, we'll nicely mix this and we'll allow this to simmer for 10 minutes. On the process of cooking the pumpkin for around 10 minutes, we'll notice that the water has evaporated but the pumpkins are cooked. So we'll add in 3/4 glass of water inside and we'll give it a boil. Once we get a boil, we will blend this mixture and we'll strain it. Once we add in the water, before we blend it, we'll add a pinch of turmeric powder inside it and we'll mix it. Now adding of turmeric is completely optional. There are many reasons. You can add it for the color, you can add it for the medical purpose, it acts as a medicine. So there are many reasons if you want to add turmeric into this soup. I add it for both the reasons. It's good for health as well as it will give a nice color to my soup. We have removed this into a mixer grinder and we'll blend it nicely. The puree of pumpkin is ready. Now we'll make the soup. In a pan, we'll add in the butter. To it, we'll add maida. We'll cook this until we get a nice nutty aroma. To this we'll add a pumpkin puree, and we'll add little milk. We'll stir this nicely. Once we mix it, we'll allow it for a boil. Once the boil is ready to come, we'll add in a pinch of sugar and we season it with salt and pepper. We'll give a gentle mix again. We'll check the consistency of the soup. We'll allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes more. The soup is now ready to serve. We have got the nice consistency. We need to season this soup nicely with salt, so please keep a note of it. Now we'll remove the soup into the soup bowl. Guys, this recipe will give you a perfect 1 bowl of soup, and now we'll garnish it with coriander. Our soup is now ready. If you like this recipe, guys, do try this at home, and trust me, your perception towards pumpkin is surely going to change. If you like our videos, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.